All right, bakers. So of course I have to be a mom here and say, please don't bake without your parents' permission and supervision. I am not asking you to bake. We're just using recipes to practice adding mixed numbers. So this one is a yummy sugar cookie recipe. So in recipes, you usually have the ingredients first, and then you have your directions. So we are simply looking at the ingredients list. And our first problem is combine how many cups of white sugar and flour are in the recipe. So the keywords that stick out to me are combined and the word and we know when we combine, we add. So it's asking about the white sugar, which is 1 1/4, and it's asked cups, and it's asking about the flour, which is 2 1/2 cups. And when we're combining, we're adding. So the first thing I should always see in your work is an equation. And then please make sure that your interactive notebook is open to the page where we put our anchor chart. And if it's not, make sure you do now. But in step 1, it tells us to go ahead and add the whole numbers. So we have 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. Now, the important thing is that we don't forget that. All right. So there's step 1. Step 2 is add our fractions. So we have 1/4 plus 1/2. And in the instructions, it tells us to add the fractions after finding common denominators. So since we're looking at 2 and 4, we're going to make a T-chart of multiples, and we have 2, 4, and 4. I don't need to go any further than that because I can see that our least common multiple is 4. So we need to change our fractions into fourths. 1/4 is already into fourths, so we don't need to worry about that. But we do need to get an equivalent fraction of 1/2 into fourths. So what did we do to the 2 to get the 4? We multiplied it by 2, and we do the same to the numerator. So 2/4 is an equivalent fraction of 1/2. It absolutely does not change the value of 1/2. It is the same value. It just allows us to add 1/4 to 1/2, which is 2/4, with a common denominator. So now we add 1 plus 2 is 3, and of course our denominator stays the same. And then we need to remember we've got that whole 3 still. So our final answer of 1 1/4 plus 2 1/2 equals 3 3/4 cups. If this doesn't make sense quite yet, that's okay. Keep referencing your interactive notebook. I promise it gets easier. Next one, I want you to give an attempt on your own. Of course, I want you to reference that notebook over and over and over, and then see if you are correct.